Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about a common myth or mistake regarding advance directives or living wills. But before I get started, if you ever have any questions about an Indiana estate planning matter or a probate matter and you'd like to get together, you can go to indianaestatemeeting.com, set an appointment, and I'll be more than happy to meet you by phone, in person, but probably not right now because we're in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis, or by video conference. So here is the nature of the conversation that I had. I was speaking with somebody about what they want in their estate plan, and they said, well, living will and advance directives, they're only about what I don't want. It's only about no treatment and taking things away. I said, well, that's not really true. But before we get started, let's just review what an advance directive is. An advance directive is a document, could be one of many documents, which set forth your end-of-life wishes. And it could be whether you want nutrition, it could be whether you want heroic means, it could be whether whatever it is that you want. Or you could give those powers to a proxy or your healthcare representative or to a power of attorney to make end-of-life decisions for you. But that's the general field, or that's the general bunch of documents which are called advance directives. But there's something that should be much more important in an advance directive. A lot of folks say, well, this is not what I want. I don't want any heroic means. I don't want this. I don't want that. But there's other things that you might want to put into your advance directives. There's other terms. For instance, if you really sit and think about it, maybe you want to be put on a ventilator, but maybe you only want to be on a ventilator for 3 days or 5 days or 7 days. And if at that time you do not improve, or the doctors say there's really no chance of you improving, then you want the ventilator taken out, and you don't want any heroic means, you don't want any nutrition, you don't want any hydration or water. The same thing with certain medications or certain treatments. You can put information within your advance directive about what you do want and how long you want that for. So if the doctors don't get that information, at least your family or your healthcare power of attorney or your healthcare representative will have your wishes. Mom, she said she was okay going on a ventilator, doctor, for 3 days. But after 3 days, if she's not going to get any better, I think we're going to have to revisit the condition and see if we're going to take her off of the ventilator. You see, those are the things that you really need to think about when you're doing your estate planning, because it's all about your wishes and what you want in your life and then after you pass away. If you have any questions about an Indiana estate planning matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.